Running a manufacturing facility is no easy feat. From managing your team to overseeing production and dealing with everyday issues and unforeseen disruptions, there's a lot to keep track of. But with Zemelgo's innovative smart manufacturing solutions, tracking just about anything has never been easier. Our work-in-progress tracking software provides real-time visibility to help you identify bottlenecks, reduce waste, and boost efficiency like never before. Zemelgo's turnkey solutions deploy in hours to seamlessly track and monitor your work in progress throughout every stage of production using RFID technology. From raw materials to finished goods, the system automatically gathers data, ensuring your business systems remain updated without the need for manual data entry, saving time and minimizing errors. With Zemelgo's intuitive cloud-based web and mobile apps, you can easily identify the location of any job on the floor in seconds. Our mobile Search and Find feature allows you to quickly pinpoint the exact location of any job on the floor without wasting time searching. Real-time visibility from Zemelgo complements lean manufacturing principles to reduce waste and improve on-time delivery. With our live dashboard, every team member from operators to leaders are empowered to make proactive decisions with real-time data. Easily identify bottlenecks and backlogs, monitor production status, and visualize department performance across the facility. Zemelgo was co-created alongside manufacturers to help identify and resolve production issues before they become major obstacles. Our intelligent alerts for idle, delayed, and expedited orders eliminate surprises, making it easier than ever to stay on top of production. No matter how many jobs there are in your facility, Zemelgo makes meeting demand schedules effortless. Our live queues automatically prioritize work for each department, enabling frontline teams to work the most important jobs first. We deliver substantial return on investment and cost savings for manufacturers of all sizes across all industries. Start optimizing your operations, boosting productivity, and empowering your team to stay ahead of the competition. Discover how Zemelgo's work-in-progress tracking solution can improve your operational efficiency at zemelgo.com.